Hey guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this Fresnel effect in particles Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. You can see these particles working like a Fresnel and this particle edges on this character. So this is very new and interesting tutorial, so let's start this. So I have this empty project of Unreal Engine 5 and I have some static meshes that I will just import from my desktop, and that is mannequin and this Varrock. This Varrock is downloaded from mixamo.com. So when I'll upload this project file on my Patreon, I will not upload this character. I will just upload this mannequin, that is epic. So I will not upload this. You can download your own from Mixamo or other websites, or you can use your custom, and I'll use this also and I will provide this in project. Okay, so it has some materials also, so I will delete these materials and I will create a basic material that is just a color for these meshes, and let's say it is black and it has some specular and something. It is 0.5 metallic also and maybe 0.2 roughness. Okay, and I'll open these models and use that color material on both just to show them nicely, otherwise you can change anything, and that's it. So I will save and I will create a Niagara fountain FX. So to understand how Fresnel work, because we don't have